Hi, Joanne here. I am doing this video because I was trying to get this Gemini embossing machine that's electrical to work, and this is what I got. I got the Paisley 3D folder to just tear to pieces. I couldn't get it to emboss. I really was interested in the roses, so I kept working and working with these components that you need. They come with the machine. The plexiglass or sandwich, um, I think they call them sandwiches or something like that. You need the plexiglass, and you have two of those, and then you have a shim. The 3D folders, you have to buy those separately. So you have this plastic shim, and again, the 3D accessories and Sizzix accessories are separate. So these are the main components right here. That magnetic one, you'll see in the end, is what gave me the best results. So what I started off with was showing you how it did not work right. So I put my, according to the directions, I put my plexiglass on the bottom, my 3D folder, and my paper in along with the plastic shim. I put it through the machine, and it's a slow feeder, and you'll see what happens. Ready? And pop. The 3D folder comes out, no impression on it at all. Again, I demonstrate that it's, done according to the directions. The plexiglass on the bottom, the paper's inserted. This time I used paper instead of a cardboard cereal box. In my 3D folder with the plastic shim on the top. So yeah, my husband's helping me out here because I'm using one hand to video. So I put this through the machine, and it makes horrendous sounds like it's gonna snap on you. That's why I decided to do a voiceover, and I did leave some of it so that you'll hear how scary it sounds. I even had a 3D folder shoot out the back end. So I'm trying this one more time. This is with the Paisley. It's going through, goes through slowly, and there you have it. It stays behind while the plastic shim and plexiglass continues to go out the other side of the machine. No results again. So I'm ready to take it back to the store, and then I try something. Try this. Just giving it a gentle push to start it, and then it just does its thing. Oh, well, it didn't do its thing because this stayed out and it did nothing. Because I will try this, and I'll try this one. I think it was just too thick. The two plexiglasses together were too thick. My theory. Now, oh, I hate that noise. I feel like it's gonna break something. I guess that's how it's supposed to be, though. Okay. Next time I use this, because it curls up. See how it curls? I will turn it the other way. Let's see if this happened. Anything happened here? Yeah, that worked. Using the magnetic shim that comes with it, and I'll show you the difference. So you have your plexiglass, that's what I call it, and then your 3D, your sandwich, and I put this through. It's definitely less scary. It doesn't make that noise. And then this is what you have. You have your nice, it's not wrinkled, it wasn't forced. So let me do that again with the piece of paper. Again, this magnetic. I didn't buy this for the cutouts. I bought it for embossing. And I was ready to give it back. But I think that this will work using this, because I have a whole pile right here. A whole pile that I did. The only thing that I can't figure out is this, the paisley one, because it just tears it. So if anybody's watching this and they have one, and they have the paisley 3D from Sizzix, and they can give me some tips, that'd be great. Now look, this one comes out good every time. So this is what I did over and over today after doing the opposite of what the directions say. So I have all of these, and I even used cardboard. Is that right that way? Yeah. And some vellum. That's all you need right there. Okay, I hope that works for you, and I'll see you in the next one.